Welcome to Storytellers Update YouTube channel. My name is Toochi. I'm a creative writer and a business consultant. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for trusting us with your time. We promise we'll make it worth your while. And if today is your first time of being on this channel, well, you are welcome. Do subscribe and turn the notification bell on, because you are in for a treat. With that, I welcome you to another episode of Podcast with Steve. Here, all we do is share business tips to help you grow your business, help you expand, help you stay grounded, and help you boost sale. We also share on the side some travel logs, the good, the bad, the ugly, the craziest. That's the two things we do here. And as you stick around, you'll be sure to watch your while. Today, however, I have a topic I want to share with you. And this is for people who run a business. The topic of what I'm taking on to you today is titled Simple Explanations of Business Profits. Simple explanation of business profits. Before we proceed, I would like you to get a pen and a paper so you can put down things that you learn here. When I say simple explanation of business profit, I know some of you might have checked your head, some of you might have shook your head, and some of you are like, well, what is it going to say? Permit me to tell you, to share with you what business profit actually is. But of course, before I do that, the first way I would always do something else. I mean, if I explain what business profit means to you, it defeats the purpose. So I'll start by telling you what business profit is not. Maybe by the time I'm done with that, you'd have a hang of what a business profit really is. But if you still don't, I'd help you. I'd also let you know what business profit really is at the end. So let's dig in, shall we? What is business profit and what business profit is not? Monthly business profit, it is not your selling price minus your cost price. You heard me. When they say profits, when they say income, it is not your selling price subtracted from your cost price. No, it is not that money. That has never been a business profit. Secondly, business profit is not your sales volume by the end of the month. If you haven't been told that, you just heard it from me today. Business profit is not your sales volume at the end of the month. It's never. Everything you sell at the end of the month is not your profit. Just in case if that's what you're thinking, well, you're in a long go. What else is business? What else is business profit not? It is also not your bank balance at the end of the month. I know, of course, your bank balance is screaming and then you think, I've made a lot this month. Well, those are basically sales. They are not your profit. They are not your business profit. So yeah, business profit is not your bank balance at the end of every month. It's not. Business profit is also not all the monies you collected from your clients, from your customers. It is not all the money they paid you. It's not. You could be a physical seller. You could also be a digital seller, but it does not necessarily mean that all the money you get from your customers are your income, are your profit. Nah. In case you think so, for digital people, for digital sellers, it might actually look like all the money you get are profits, but they are not. They are really not. You might as well not put time into providing the course or whatever digital goods you're selling, but it still doesn't mean that the monies you get from your customers are your profits. They are not. Now, what is business profit? Again, before I tell you what business profit is, I would like to tell you 2 more things you need to do in your business so that you'll be able to recognize what a business profit is. The first one is recognize damages and losses. You see how you do something and then it doesn't yield any benefit or gain? You see how you do something and it doesn't necessarily yield any profit? See how you broke something, or you actually went out to do something and then ended up losing instead of gaining? Recognize those losses, recognize these damages, write them down. Also, keep tabs of your monthly expenses the same way you recognize your incomes. Keep tabs of your expenses on the side and keep tabs of your income on the side. If you have to have books where you write them, everything you spent on your business, everything that came in on your business from your business, then beautiful. That would help you understand what a business profit really is. So now I move on to what a business profit is. It's simple, really. It's just you that are making it complicated. Monthly business profit is your revenue minus your expenses. Now I know I might not have said anything about revenue since I started recording this, since I started saying this, but hey, this is the right time to tell you what the revenue is. So revenue is not far-fetched. It is something you know. You know when you actually subtract your cost price from your selling price, that amount you get is not your income, like I said earlier. That particular amount it's not your profits, like I said earlier. It's just an income, an inflow of money. So you pick up that money the way it was, all of them together that you got from selling, or subtracting your cost price from your selling price. You could put them all together. They are basically incomes. And then you now bring your expenses, all of them together, and then you extract your expenses from the incomes you got. Any other thing that is remaining after the expenses have been taken away is what your business profit really is. Did you hear what I said, or should I take it again? When I say your monthly profit is your revenue minus your expenses, I mean that the money you got from subtracting the cost price from the selling price is your income. And then as you are recognizing your expenses, you also bring that expense to the fore and subtract your expenses from your income. Whatever is left after you are done is your monthly business profit. If there's nothing left, then just know you are running at a loss. But of course, we do not play that you run at a loss. So there you have it. A breakdown of what your business profit is. I'd like to take it one more time in a fast pace in case you missed any. These 4 things are what business profit are not. The first one, your business profit is not your selling price minus your cost price. Your business profit is not your sales volume by the end of the month. Your business profit is not your bank balance by the end of the month. And your business profit is not all the money, all the cash transfers you collected from your customers, be it digital or physical. However, your business profit is the revenue generated minus all your expenses. That is your monthly business profit. Thank you for sticking around. We have come to the end of today's session. Till I come your way again, stay jiggy. My name is Toochi, and do well to subscribe and turn the notification bell on. Bye for now.